the Honourable Minister of Education, Permanent Secretary for Education, President and board members of the Textile and Clothing Footwear Council, the textile industry stakeholders, senior staff of the Ministry of Education and other ministries present here today, staff of the Technical College of Fiji, and trainees. I'm greatly privileged to be invited today to launch this new initiative by the Technical College of Fiji in training people in the garment trade, with industrial collaboration with the various industry involved in garment making. I understand the purpose of this course is to provide training for sewing machine operators, including the production of basic and intermediate tasks in the industry and in the production line. Therefore, we expect these trainees to be trained by the technical college and employed by the garment industry. This is an additional support by the government in providing gender equality and providing more employment for our ladies in our workforce. These institutions and training will be extended to the West and the North as the requirement and need arises. We will move this training to the Western Division, and this training is a sign of close collaboration between the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Employment, and this will continue in the future. Yesterday, the government and the cabinet has approved the establishment of 8 more technical colleges, and the government industry will be training industry will also be included in those training institutions to be established in the near future. The exercise now is for the Ministry for Employment to identify the training requirements, which we will then provide it to the Ministry of Education, and the Ministry of Education will organize the training institutions and the training needs, and will fund this training in the future. This is, I think, for us available and attending this occasion today, is a great indication of what the government is looking at to do in the future, and more so in helping our workers that have been neglected for a long time. It is the responsibility of our government to provide the expertise that is required for our young people to enter the industry and have a stable source of income that will give them the catapult for their lives and their matured lives in the future. I greatly thank the Ministry of Education in launching this initiative, and we hope that there will be more training requirements that could be identified in the future, so that we can provide more training institutions that will help all our young people in the future. Thank everyone present here today, and I thank for all the trainers that have trained the trainees over the last 3 weeks, as I understand that they've gone through a thorough training before they are introduced into the industry. I thank for the invitation, and I thank you for giving me the opportunity to launch this basic sewing machine course, and I declare the training program completed.